So basically, today we are going to learn about backup and restore of Windows. So what do you mean by backup? Can anyone of you tell me what does it mean by system backup? Yes, no one? Yes or no? That's it. See,
Can hear clearly.
okay. Basically, system backup is the process of backing up the operating system. Not only operating system, files, system, specific useful essential data. Like for example, essential data means you have something important in your computer, like pictures, any folders, any files, any resumes, your credential, etc. So you are like some what happen is sometimes your drive, SDD, hard disk drive or SDD drive get affected due to virus. Okay, and sometimes it got corrupted. So in that case, we use backup of your files and folders, or even the whole drive, or a simple operating system. So it is actually a process in which the state files and data of your computer are duplicated to be used as a backup or data substitute. So when the primary system data is corrupted, deleted or lost. Okay. So system backup primarily ensures that not only the user data in a system is saved, but also the system state or operation condition will also saved. So this by taking backup, this will help in restoring the system to the last saved state along with all selected backup data. So generally, the system backup is performed through backup software and the end file. Okay. So apart from taking backup from the Windows itself, we have third-party external backup software as well. So today I'm going to show you how to take backup in Windows and how to restore it whenever our system get affected or running slow. Restoring means it will restore the last best best state to its best state. Okay, so let me show you. To take a backup in Windows 10, there are different steps in every operating system. Basically, I'm showing for taking backup in Windows 10. Okay, if you need any a kind of help, if you are using any other operating system like Windows 7, Windows 11, etc. To take a backup, just go to Windows, click on Windows, then click Settings. Okay, then click on
Can you repeat this, please?
okay, once again, go to Windows, click on Windows key, then point to Settings option, click Settings, then click on Update and Security option. Once again, Update and Security option. After clicking it, click on Backup here on the left side. You see. The backup options only works when you have any external drive or any flash drive or any pen drive. Okay, so I did not connected any drive yet. Now I'm going to connect a pen drive, flash drive I have to take a backup. Okay, let me connect. Yeah, now it's connected. After connecting any flash drive or any pen drive or any external drive, one automatically a window open like this. Okay, close this one or minimize this one. Here on the backup screen, just click on more option. Okay, it will take some time. Yes, Mr. Gary, are you following? Will take some time to open, depend upon your system configuration. It's open. So now, what you need to do here is in the last here, back up these folders. Basically, bunch of items given here, like you need to back up saved games, links, download folder, contacts, desktop, whatever things, whatever files and folders available on desktop, searches. These are the default folders given provided by this application. Even you can add folders from here like this. Click on add button. Like for example, USB drive, no, my E drive, select folder, my name, choose this folder. Okay. See here what is it is showing the drive I have or like a flash drive I have connected with my PC. The space it has is 4 GB. Okay, for it's around 3.74 GB. So automatically it will back up every hour. Whatever you add in your folder or anything, whatever the activity you do, add, delete, update anything, it will be added here into your folder. Basically these are the folders that are going to be backup. Okay, so this is how actually backup works. Backup is it? The first you need to do is click here, automatically backup files, then click more options, then it will work. That is taking longer time as usual actually. So basically, the steps are the same. How to take a backup? Okay, so you need to click on Windows button, then click settings, then point to security and update, then click on select that option automatically backup my files. Then click on more option. After that, this window will appear. Here you will find an option called backup now. If we click on backup now, whatever the folders available here by default, it will be they will take backup every hour, or you can customize this option daily, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, etc. Okay, so it will work only when you connect external device. Got it, guys? Like any external uh, hard disk drive, any network drive, or pen drive, flash drive. Got it, guys? So moving forward, this is how backup works. One more thing, apart from this, I would like to share you like by using simple tasks, you can take backup of your files and folder. How? Let me show you. See, in my E drive, I have very important folders. Everything I save on this folder. Okay. Basically, what I do to take backup of this folder, I just duplicate this folder into another drive. Like I have just connected with a flash drive, USB drive, or pen drive. Okay. What I do, I visit my A drive, then simple right click on my folder and copy, and then open flash drive, right click and paste. So this is how I take a I took a backup of my folder. And one more option to do this, I'll show you. Let's let it complete. Okay, I'm deleting from here. One more option to do this same activity, you need to visit here again, select your file or folder which you want to take a backup of, right click on it, click on send to option, send it to, then point to the USB drive option. Okay, if you click on this option, this file will directly take a backup or copy a duplicate file into the targeted drive. See here, it is created duplicate file. Okay, so this is how we can take backup of our files and folder. Now, moving forward, I'm going to show you another very great part of the Windows operating system. What is that? System restore. System restore. Have you ever heard about this name? Restore.
No,
So can you tell me what will be the name sounds like system restore?
that sounds like if you lose something, you can regain it.
Exactly, exactly. This is how actually the word itself telling his their answer. Okay. So basically, system restore means it is a feature in Microsoft operating system, Windows operating system, and it allows the user to revert their computer in the previous state point of time. So, which can be used to recover from the system malfunction and other issues or any other problem. So, if system restore is enabled on your computer, it will create a restore point automatically when certain actions are performed. So we can also manually create a restore point whenever we feel like we are going to do something that might break our system. Let's say you have installed some malicious programs or deleted a registry file by accident, and your computer begins to malfunction, and you can easily undo it unwanted changes by performing restore. In simple language, I can say system restore is nothing but undoing the unwanted changes accidentally you made to the system. It allows you to revert your computer to an initial state. Is nothing but a restore point. So let's do it practically. Am I sharing? No.
Mm-mm.
Okay. To create a restore point, you need to visit, you need to click on Windows button, then write restore. Okay. Then click on create restore point. Once again, click on Windows button, write restore, then click on restore point. Here, basically, we create a restore point for our default drive. Default drive means in which our operating system installed. So basically, in C drive, our operating system installed. Okay. So I'm going to create a restore point for my C drive. How to create? Here, first click on configure. What we are doing here, we are turning on the system protection, and I am providing some space. How much space this system protection can take in our system? Like I am providing 10 GB, let's say 10 GB for system restore. Okay, apply, click on OK. Then here, click on create option. To create means it will create a restore point for this particular drive. Okay. Now we need to give any name to it. Okay. Let's say you can save by the date, by day, anything. Let's say I'm restore today's date, 2nd May. Automatically it will give date as well. Okay. Only to do that. Let's say I have installed some software yesterday. So what I do, I will make the name of this software. Okay. Let's say OBS Studio state. It is as per my understanding. Create. So it is creating a restore point. It will take some time. Depend upon your computer. How good a configuration you are using. Like I am using i3 7th generation processor and also RAM with 4 GB space. So sorry. See, it's created successfully. Close. Now click OK. We have done with creating a restore point. So what does it mean we have done with the restore point? Means after some time, after some days, I have accidentally downloaded. See, many times, a number of times we use internet, we open internet, we don't know whatever we are downloading, it is good or infected file. By if by mistakenly, if we download any infected file, it will come with it will attack to your system by malicious virus, etc. So in that case, for example, if your system is not running properly, some software will not work. Let's say I have installed OBS Studio video editing tool yesterday. and after few days, I have installed some or downloaded some files, and it that files affected my computer. And some of the software, whatever I have downloaded, I have installed, those software are also not working. So in that case, I use restore point. So by using restore point, by restoring the computer, it will restore to the previous good running stage. Okay, it will restore the previous how it was running previously. It will restore that point. Got it, guys? So let's say I am my computer infected and I want to restore that stage, the current, the previous good running stage. So in that case, what I need to do, I need to restore that last stage. Let me share my screen again. Then the same activity you need to do. Click on Windows, write restore, click on create restore point. Then here, system restore. Click on system restore button. Next, see what I did here just now. It will show you the date and time as well. Here in Dubai, it's 6:15. I created this file at 6:15 by the name OBS state, studio state, and how manually. So if I click next, it will show me that that's all the details, whatever I have made manually. Like I have installed that software. I want to restore my system onto its original state, onto its previous state. It will show me that which drive you're gonna restore everything in this window. Okay, if you click on flash, it will go to the previous state, but I don't require that one. So that's the reason I'm just canceling it. Just for your information, I showed you. Okay, guys. So this is how system backup and system restore works. Okay, if you have any questions, you can ask, guys. Okay.